Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 14 Ultra and let me share with you how to check the serial number of this device. So let's start with a longer way to check this information, and after that I'll show you kind of a shortcut of it. So let's first of all enter the settings, and here we have to tap on About Phone, which is at the top of the list. Then let's scroll down and tap on Detailed Info and Specs. Now we have to scroll down, and let me try to tap on Model, because unfortunately we are not able to check the serial number after tapping on it, but that's okay. All we have to do is to tap on the status. Let's scroll down, and now let's tap on the model. As you can see, the serial number is stored right here. So this is the first and the longer way of checking the serial number, and the second way requires you to enter and remember a secret code. However, it will allow you to check the serial number much faster. So let's open the dialer, open the keypad and enter the code, which is *06#. And as you can see at the bottom of this pop-out window, we've got the serial number of this device. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.